Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I just thought that I would come on here really fast. I was about to be in the process of doing my hair, and I was just like, I need to do a review on these products because I don't think I've done one, and this is one of my favorite, like all-time favorite product lines. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and comment down below what else you guys want to see. If you are not new, welcome back to another video. I'm getting stuff all over my face dripping. So today I'm just going to be reviewing the Camille Rose Naturals coconut water line. As y'all can see, I don't even know if y'all can tell, but it's like right here because I use this product so much when I first got it. So I'm going to be using the leave-in detangling hair treatment, and then I'm also going to be using the style setter from the same exact line. Yeah, let's get into the video. So I started out with a generous amount of the leave-in conditioner just because I had such a big section. As you guys can see, my hair is parted into 3 sections. So I always start at the back, of course, and I just wanted to make sure that I worked it in really good, starting at my ends and going up. So the texture of this leave-in was really similar to like a custard or something of that sort. It wasn't too heavy on my hair. It actually felt really light and my fingers kind of glided through. So I went ahead and added a little bit of water in my hair just because it had dried a little bit from when I washed it. And I wanted to make sure I did this on wet hair rather than damp hair just because it created much more slip. It also made it way easier for me to finger detangle. As you guys can see, I usually do start to finger detangle before I go in with my Denman brush. So once I went in with my Denman brush, it was a little bit smoother of a process. So as you guys can see, I am already getting a little bit of definition, and this is just with the coconut water leave-in detangling hair treatment. So now it's time to go in with the style setter, which I love. This is a very thick and creamy product, which I feel is perfect for a style setter because it makes me feel as if my hair will definitely hold up as far as curls and definition. So I put a generous amount of that on my hair also, while making sure that my hair is still wet instead of damp. So now that both products are in, I don't know about y'all, but I can usually tell if I'm gonna like a product or not just by if it's shiny while it's in the braids or twist or whatever style you're going for. And here you have your final result. My hair didn't feel weighed down. My hair didn't feel extra greasy. I had shine, I had volume, I had some bounce. I definitely had definition, as you guys can see. So overall, y'all can see why this is one of my favorite product lines that I have ever used in my years of being natural. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Bye.